Global Youth Challenge GYC 2026, Volunteer Recruitment AI and the Future of Work, Critical Thinking Challenge. Let your thinking shape the future. Join us in building an international platform where youth lead change through critical thinking and innovation. GYC 2026 invites passionate and dedicated volunteers to join our organizing team. This year's theme, AI and the Future of Work, explores how artificial intelligence is transforming our world and how young people can drive meaningful change. Organized by GYC in collaboration with Encore Lab, University of Toronto, and the Erindale Academy, Canada.
Volunteer positions available leadership workshop coordinator organize and lead leadership workshops and roundtable discussions for students, coordinate guest speakers, and conduct weekly sessions to provide guidance on interview skills. Critical thinking and project planning, helping students develop practical leadership insights. Social media manager develop and execute social media strategies to increase engagement and visibility across platforms. Volunteer team lead and coordinate volunteer teams to ensure smooth communication and efficient execution throughout all event stages. Sponsorship coordinator build partnerships, manage sponsor relations, and secure resources to support the success of the event. Event coordinator assist in planning, organizing, and managing the event to ensure professional, seamless, and inspiring execution. Content creator. Write promotional content, design visuals, and create multimedia stories to showcase the creativity and impact of youth participants.
Why join us? Develop leadership and practical skills. Enhance your leadership, communication, and teamwork abilities through hands-on international collaboration. Earn certificates and references. Receive an official volunteer certificate and professional reference upon successful completion of service. Expand your global network. Collaborate with inspiring youth, educators, researchers, and innovators from around the world.
You are passionate about innovation and learning, excited to contribute to a global educational initiative, ready to make a positive impact through critical thinking and action, then this is your opportunity. Join us, let critical thinking inspire change, and let innovation shape the future.
How to apply, send your CV and area of interest to info@theglobalyouth.org. Please include GYC 2026 volunteer application in the subject line.